Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have a nice colorful floral arrangement that I'm going to be showing you on how to create. I used the Pretty Excellent palette from Amazon right there, and I have a couple different viewpoints right here. Some of the angles may be a little bit awkward, but I was just trying to get as close as I can to show some of the different florals. And there is an overhead view in the end if you wanted to see that if you're lost at any point. But I'm going to start off with some easy roses in the middle. And for some of the filler flowers on the sides here, I'm going to use, it's kind of like a magenta color there, and I'm going to drop some yellow in it too. And when you're creating your roses, try to use different strokes with your brushes so that you have the variations in the petals. This will make it look more like a rose and less like a cinnamon roll. And for the greens, I'm using 2 or 3 different shades here. One of them is like a little bit more of a viridian, and then I have like a bright Kelly green. For the purple flower here, I'm using 2 different shades. I'm using the deeper purple in the middle, and then I'm going back to that other magenta color for the outer edges. But you can let the brush do all the work and just push down on the sides, and you can see how it's creating like the petal strokes there. So this is really, really easy to do. You just make sure that you're using a brush with the point on the end. And up top here, I need some more balance because it's a little empty, so I'm going to add a small orange rose and then just some buds. And then as fillers, I'm just going to go back and forth between a few different colors. after your first layer dried up, I'm going to go back in with a little bit more detail and deepen up some of the middles of each flower. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time.